Well, hello there and welcome. And if you're watching this video on Christmas Day, which is the day I'm going to be publishing it, then a Merry Christmas to you, and in particular my American viewers.
Oh, say can you see?
Who make up by far the largest percentage of people who watch the Walking Talking Gardeners channel, but also to my Australian viewers, who are one of my fastest growing audiences. So thank you to both of you. Anyway, those of you who've watched this video before will know that I do like to keep my eye on my news feed, and recently a piece came through talking about the Boxing Day tradition of planting certain seeds. So with the help of Monty Don, one of my favourite TV garden presenters, I'm going to go through which seeds that he plants, and also the range of seeds that you would plant. There's only about 5, so this won't take too long, to give yourself an absolutely bonza head start come the spring. So let's get to it. It's very cold out here today, and Merry Christmas. Have a figgy pudding on me. Bottle of water. So, Boxing Day tradition of sowing seeds. Right, there are 5 that I'm going to talk about. One of those isn't a seed anyway. We're talking about garlic, which will be in cloves. We're talking about onions, which will be in seeds. We're talking about tomatoes, which will be in seeds. We're talking about bell peppers or capsicums, which will be in seeds. And we'll also be talking about chili peppers, which is exactly the same as the bell peppers, so it'll be the same. So there's 5 things we can talk about. Let's start off with number 1, garlic. Right, you get 2 types of garlic. You get soft neck and you get hard neck, but I'm not going to go into those in this video. That could be for another video. You can look those up and see which one works for you. Right, garlic. Now, yes, you can grow garlic from seeds, but it's a Mediterranean plant. It needs quite a long time in order to grow from seed to mature to an edible clove. So we're not going to bother with that. We're going to talk about buying them as cloves. Now, don't buy them in the supermarket and use those, because there are risk of virus in the bulbs, and also the bulbs that you're buying in the supermarket may not be suitable for growing in your climate. Look at my breath, it's so cold today. So you want to buy specific garlic cloves for growing in your country. So in the UK you go to garden centres or wherever and pick them up, so you know it's disease free and suitable for your climate. Now if your ground is reliably cold, heavy and wet, then probably not the best idea to plant them outside directly into the ground, but you can do if you've got like a nice warm well drained soil. Then plant them directly outside. Prepare it first, remove any weeds, make sure that you put in a we don't have to make sure, but you know it's advisable to put in a high potash fertilizer like Q4. Instructions will be on the packet, or a well rotted farm manure or garden compost. Dig that in. You know, you could either mound up the soil to improve the drainage, but cloves would go there, or you can consider putting cloves into a modular tray. Like I say, if your ground conditions aren't going to be particularly good over the winter, and then put that into a unheated greenhouse or a cold frame. So there you go, that is garlic. Boxing Day garlic. I'm doing the garlic breath. Okay, number 2, onions. And again, using modular seed trays, plant 2 seeds per module. Use a seed compost. Place your module into a heated propagator or on a warm, bright windowsill. Once those seeds have germinated, remove the weakest one. Onion seeds. Now, tomato seeds, it's the same story. Modular seed trays. Multi-purpose compost, put it in a heated propagator, put it in a bright, warm windowsill, and they'll germinate absolutely fine. With all these things at this time of year, you might want to consider additional light if you haven't got enough light on these things. And in every case here, we're going to be talking about heated propagators. So if you haven't got yourself a heated propagator, keep an eye out, find one, get it online, get it Amazon. They don't pay me anything for that, or Facebook Marketplace. That's also a good place. Heated propagators are great if you can get a decent one with a variable timers, variable heat settings, and they are fantastic, but they can be quite pricey. But then again, it is Christmas, so get someone else to buy it for you. Number 4 is bell peppers. Number 5 is chili peppers, but peppers are peppers are peppers. It's going to be the same germinating technique as it is going to be for either of them. So Boxing Day, again, once you need modular seed trays, you need a heated propagator. I don't think you're going to be able to get away with it on a warm bright windowsill. You need heated propagator, and once those seeds have germinated, you're probably going to need to put down some additional lighting. So you want to get yourself a grow lamp or some such thing, however you want to do it. It's as simple as that. And but now you've got to try and keep them growing until the last frosts have finished. You can get them back outside. Don't forget to harden off your seedlings. That's with all your seedlings to outside conditions, otherwise they'll scorch off in full sun. Anyway, let's move to the conclusion. So that's 4 lots of seeds and 1 bucket of garlic cloves. So you've got tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, chili peppers. All you need is multi-purpose compost, heated propagator, and possibly additional lighting. And you've got all that equipment, then you're good to go. So there you go. That's my 5 seeds, not one of them's not, for Boxing Day traditional planting. Anyway, if there's anything else that you like to plant on Boxing Day, then you're more than welcome to put that into the comments. We would love to hear from you and get that information out there to the other people who look at the comments. But before I go, if you want to support this channel, don't forget to press like, don't forget to press subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever we publish another video, then don't forget to click onto that notification bell. It is all absolutely free. You can unsubscribe and everything whenever you want to, but it really helps support this channel and gets the information out there. Thank you for watching. Before I go, just one last bit from me from when it used to be sunny in the UK, because really from now until the spring it's going to be heavy cloud and frost. Yay, Merry Christmas. Bloody weather. Just before you go, if you want to see more content, more behind the scenes stuff, and images that I've taken of some weird freaky plants over the years, then you're in luck, because we've created an Instagram page. So you can find the link in our description. You can find the link on our main page, and if I'm clever enough, I might be able to get a link somewhere up there. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more YouTube stuff, then check out this video here. That's quite a good one. And if it doesn't float your boat, then another one right there. And enjoy these while still got the strength, imagination and aptitude to make them. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.